In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and add your own audio track in InVideo. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your own music or voiceover into a project and place it right where you want it on the timeline. First, log into InVideo using your usual account. If you're new or returning after a while, give the editor a moment to load fully so all the tools appear. You'll land on your dashboard where you can access your saved work. Keep your credentials private and make sure you're on the official site for a smooth and secure start. Next, open your project. From the dashboard, select the project you want to edit, or pick a recent one from your library. Once the editor opens, wait for your media and timeline to populate so nothing gets missed while loading. If your project is template-based, you'll still follow the same process for adding audio. Now head to the Uploads panel. You'll typically find it in the left sidebar, labeled Uploads or Media. This is where all the files you add, videos, images, and audio, will live. If the panel is minimized, expand it so you can see the upload options clearly. Click on Upload Media. This button is usually at the top of the Uploads panel. When you click it, a file browser opens on your computer. If you prefer, you can also drag and drop a file directly into the Uploads area, but the Upload button keeps things nice and straightforward. Select your track from your PC. Choose the audio file you want to use. Common formats like MP3, WAV, and M4A work well. Make sure you have the rights to use the track, especially if it's going online. Keep an eye on the progress indicator. Larger files may take a moment. Once uploaded, your track will appear in the Uploads panel with a small audio icon ready to use. Finally, add it to your timeline. Click and drag the uploaded audio from the panel down to the timeline, placing it on an audio track beneath your video clips. Drop it at the point where you want the sound to begin. You'll notice it snaps to markers and clip edges, which helps with alignment. Press play to preview and confirm the timing feels right. From here, you can keep building your edit, knowing your audio is in place and synced with your visuals. That's it. Log in, open your project, go to the Uploads panel, upload your media, select your track, and add it to the timeline. Simple, reliable, and ready for your creative touch.